Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangpa Kejela ubak Prestone dan Song, ulakan mau bahaduk khatsan sien ba ulai UI baka KSU Student Union Delhi Unit, kelayok ban pelaj miki Samla Kiba wat kam Delhi. Yakini kikentian ulakran kumukongsan haka jingalang ban penong ya ke Mr. and Mrs. Hanyutrap Arhaja Arpesan, kebalong haka Arpesau terik jemang Arhaja Arpesan, ha Meghalaya House, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Road, New Delhi, haka jinalang UMP Lok Sabha Ketura Konstituensi Usaling Sangma, Bak Wailat Shila MLA Gajuwai Konstituensi, Bak Daniel Tangkiu, Bak Lombok Starwell Marngar ubadai Presiden ke KSU Sengkemi. Ubak Prestone ulawer ki beriu ki basa Delhi, bakin wanka Meghalaya, pinso yi ya kalair ke bakhut ke ba omdan ya kalair bashushna, Hendrei pinyo ya kalair nakajing internet ke Mariang. Nakaliang ubak Lombok Starwell Marngar, ulaong bakari khasi kalong shisha ke bakerpang ladai nujor, pada Delhi, namar kari-kari ke babiang nadu ke Mariang, bandring mensiam da kalair ke bakhut, ke Jingdon ke Jinget, ke Jingru spa, hakariti dostor. Ulaong bahkan ke juk baro kia be ya ke jinang jingstat, Hendrei usyap ting pat yo telep no ya ke san pertei ke babentamai ke jait bendrio. Shushu ulapun kan mau balaseng ya ke KSU Delhi Unit haus nam harakat sao, da ke jing perkat ban lum bandang ya ke Samla ke basa Delhi, bat layo ban pen kashnat, daerah dun, Bangalore, bat ki wede ki jela hapo North East. Ulapan pau ke jing sngokia namar ke jing keduk kam hapo ke jela, haba ki Samla ki mi napo ke jela ban wat kam Delhi, hendai ki sya yalam bakla, kumta ulakan tu ki mekik pa ban ajing trilang ban ke KSU Delhi Unit. Nagaliang ke Samla marbiang kongwer ke badai ke Presiden ke KSU Delhi Unit, kalai kuble ya baro ki bawanishimenta hakani ke program.
In the days to come. I've seen not less than 15 times, if I'm not mistaken, not less than 15 times, the operation did by the KSU unit Delhi in rescuing few innocent angels all the way coming down to Delhi, maybe for a better job opportunity that they want. But ultimately they landed up in the den of lions. But ultimately I've seen the good work done by the KSU members. Friends, should we not appreciate the good deeds the unit did? We should. We should. And not only that, let us work together with them. So many precious souls have been saved. By whom? By this unit. So therefore, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I would like to put it on record. Thank you so much, President of KSU Unit, Secretary of KSU Unit, Delhi, along with all of you, the members. You have done a tremendous job. And we are there with you. Even if you have any kind of problem from now on, we are there to create even a dedicated line wherever or whenever necessary. I give you this assurance. It's not, as you did mention, that you have quite a number of units be it in South India and especially here in Delhi being the capital of the nation.
Kajing bam yesu tu jing mut ka kanrai. Kajing ni tili jami hi kalong kata katiar kabakhlanta. Habagi yang lang kawai kumni. Kumni kena pule. Tadi kita kipriyo ki betrai ka kam beper. Ki artist ki breu ki badan sa beper dan ya kum kinong yalam. Ni phalang ya kata kajing long kajing kum kajing iseng kajing wat bor bat kajing along the way katun mai kini hi kajing long kibapan pau yangi kum kajai benriau. This pageant is not only a celebration of beauty or a celebration of our culture and tradition. It is a statement of pride and a message that we are rooted, connected and strong when we stand together. I wish to take this opportunity to thank everyone to make this day possible, our dedicated volunteers, the organizing committee without whom this would not be possible, of course our sponsors, the community elders and all our well-wishers. Your support, time and encouragement is what keeps the union alive. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Meghalayan Age, the store, for collaborating with us to make this event possible. Meghalayan Age, the store is located at Connaught Place, where you can all visit the store. The store usually sells items from Meghalaya. And